How to delete Facebook account permanently or temporarily account after the new update. Hey everyone, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently or temporarily. In order to delete your Facebook account, you'll need to first make sure that you've already updated your application, and then go ahead and open up or log into your Facebook account. Once you're logged into your Facebook account, you'll need to click on the three dot icon or the tab bar icon located in the upper right hand side corner. Scroll down a bit, go to settings and privacy. Once again, you need to be specific for that. Click on settings. After that, you'll be able to see multiple options. So here you need to click on personal and account information, which is underneath the information. After that, you'll need to go ahead and click on account ownership and control. Over here, you'll be able to see two different options. So in order to deactivate or delete your account, you need to tap on deactivation and deletion. Here you'll need to select whether you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. So in my case, I just want to deactivate, so I'm just gonna select deactivate and click on continue. Since you're deleting your account, you'll need to type in the password associated with your account. As soon as you've done that, on the other page, you'll be asked for a reason for deactivating your account. After that, you'll be taken to the other interface where you need to confirm your identification, and then you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully deleted Facebook account, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. In this way, you can delete Facebook account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.